Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Flege is hiring for VR programmer Unreal Engine role. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Let us get to know about the job and the company. Want to join the edtech startup in the UAE? Here is your chance. We are looking for rock stars to join our amazing technology team. You will be joining a company that's disrupting the industry and making a real difference to students' education. We are seeking a VR programmer whose core expertise is in building virtual reality app and experiences. Our ideal candidate has a significant breadth of knowledge in all technical aspects of the Unreal Engine, extensive knowledge about virtual reality, core blueprint scripting and building interactive simulations. Key requirements for this role are bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, strong experience in developing virtual reality application consisting of immersive experiences, strong experience with blueprints, very well versed with virtual reality, possession of excellent verbal and written communication skills, critical thinking and problem solving skills combined with professionalism. Here's about the company. Flege is an innovative metaverse platform that lets you experience and imagine education beyond your traditional classroom. Whether it's experiencing ancient history, a spacewalk, or learning a new concept, we are revolutionizing the way education is taught in universities and colleges. Say goodbye to boring classrooms and hello to immersive, gamified experiences that will take your education to the next level. We are not just changing the way you learn, we are changing the way you think about education. Our platform is designed to engage and inspire, giving you a glimpse of the future. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को like कीजिए, share it with your friends, and for more latest job updates, channel को subscribe कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.